Rose gold face oil is our liquid gold miracle oil. Those are your words, not mine. It's expert blended by yours truly for morning and night, year round, for skin cell regeneration, graceful aging, to balance the skin's oil production, and even repair and rejuvenate damaged skin cells using argan, pomegranate, rosehip, and jojoba. Then the essential oils of rose and rose geranium and bergamot soothe and nourish and heal your heart and emotional center. The product comes with a mantra written on the label to support a mindful skincare experience and really create a ritual around your self-care. You can use this morning and night, year-round, after you cleanse, or even throughout the day on dry, depleted skin that just needs some extra nourishment. The mantra is, I nourish myself on a cellular and emotional level. You take the oil into your palm like this, a generous amount, about a quarter size, and you rub it between the palms. I nourish myself on a cellular and emotional level, reciting the mantra. Take a deep inhale. Oh, it just smells so divine. And you massage it into the skin, under the eyes. It's made for all skin types, sensitive skin included. And you just massage it in under the chin and the neck and the chest. In the heart center, I nourish myself on a cellular and emotional level, just massaging it in, allowing the oil to sit on the skin for a dewy, radiant glow. Taking a deep inhale. I nourish, I nourish, I nourish. Exhale. Coming back to center.